welcome to another video. I'm here at the back of airport. As you can see it, you can hear planes are coming in. Look at it. You see how big is that? That's a winter one. So anyway, we're just walking around here. You know, I walk from the house into here. I'm thinking about having exercise a little bit, but I just bring my camera every time I go out, and then yeah, nothing to worry about. The weather is just super great, and everything is not in great shape, but I mean, still dry. Don't get me wrong, still dry. So there are more planes are coming out than coming in. You know, I think the holiday is finished at the moment, and if the weather stay like this for a couple of weeks, I think tourists is not gonna come, you know, because yeah, weather's been different this past few days. But I hope you can hear me well. You know, I'll try to talk as loud as I can, and everybody's here. There's a jet there. There's another airplane that's supposed to, you know, take off, but another one is coming in. So that's how fast the air traffic around here. And we're here at the very landing strip or something, you know, the guide from the landing strip. So yeah, there's a plane coming in. This is a smaller one, but yeah, it's good to see that in person. Now the sun is coming out. Here you go. Hello, sun. And now look at the airplane. It's sideways. It's side. Look at that. And in my perspective of knowing of all the airplanes, it's just like so windy out here. It's very hard to land. So anyway, welcome to another vlog, another day here in Puerto del Carmen, Lanzarote. And I'm here at the Matagorda, just like I said, at the back of the airport, just enjoying myself, chilling a little bit. And there's a plane like this, a Jet 2, that's coming out. So I'm walking from my house up to here, not wondering anything to be filmed. And I just sit there, watch the plane comes, and suddenly I pick up the camera and start filming. So here we go. If you're fancy to join us walking, this is the channel. Come on, let's enjoy a walk. There's a lot of rocks. Imagine you're just here and no airport around. It's just very quiet out here. You know, it's just like very enjoyable to stay a little bit here, enjoy the beautiful life that we have. But we have an airport around here, so everything's like growling because of the airplane engine noise. So that's the thing. But maybe if you're living near this spot, it's just like you can use it, you know, enjoy yourself. Because seeing planes nowadays is just very nice. Back in the day when I was in the Philippines, it's just I see plane only in the sky. I never see ones in the front of my eye. And now here in Lanzarote, the airport is just a kilometer away, 2 kilometers away in the house. So I see some airplanes landing in. So it's just very awesome. There you go, another one's coming in. Sorry about the weather, folks. It's just I can't explain it how this weather end up like this. You know, there's a storm or anything near, or someone explain it to me what's going on around here. Oh, this rock is very sharp. It's very hard to, you know, to walk around here. Look, another plane's coming in. Wow, see how beautiful the plane is landing in. Another one just lift off, and another one is arriving. That's how the air traffic around here. That's from Madrid, Air Europa. So like I said, you know, the weather here is kindly difficult to understand nowadays. and everybody's asking me what's going on. I'm not even a weather guy to tell people what's going on in our weather. It's supposed to be a heat, sunshine, but we're still stuck in this miserable gray sky and rainy season. But it's still nice. I'm still happy can walk around, you know. Not much rain as your place or people watching here from the north side. This is paradise for them. So yeah. So anyway, we're walking in this spot. I avoid the people around there in the main you know, walking path because we've been there before. So I want to explore this place. It's just so rocky. I think when the storm comes, water came all over here as well and wipe up all the sand, and now all the rocks has been exposed again. Yeah, look, it's like you're in the part of moon. It's exactly what the moon looked like. So folks, if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much to all your support, folks. And yeah, we're here at Puerto del Carmen, Lanzarote, Mataguarda. There you go, another plane is coming. Just so busy around. But yeah, the weather. Oh, this one is private. Look, private jet. Oh, one of the richest people. It's a private one. Look at that. Maybe you're a billionaire. You can ride one of those. So this is the new theme park that built in for the big kids. Well, actually young ones as well. You can come here, but you need to watch them because there's a lot of different playground now, and it's much what do you call this, much bigger, and you need to watch it, you know. Of course, if you come here with a family, you just need to watch the kids. You know, here they have a big playing there in the middle, and there's a zip line as well. Look at the slide right there at the back. It's really big. The zip line from there up to the bottom, which is kind of cool. You know, zip line. Look. Whee! You see that zip line? And there's a lot, and a big jet airplane slides right there, and the most epic one, this one right there, big slide. So you need to look, you need to have a look at your kids so they'll be okay. So we're now entering Mataguarda, and this is the Beatriz Hotel. Just right here. Shame, no sun. You know, people might enjoy this beautiful scenery around. To be honest with you folks, this part is very quiet. I'm not even telling you a lie. This is true. Look how quiet it is, except with the plane just coming in. You can hear it loudly, but people around is just so quiet. That's why they love here to lie down and enjoy the day. Yeah. Hello, baby. And so many cats enjoying their life. Look how far the water is in the shore. It's low tide, and the water just come all the way here at the rocks. You see the lines right there. That's the mark. That's one. And we're very near the shopping center. It's just right there. Quiet out here as well. Look, you can ride some bikes to go around here in Puerto del Carmen. Anyway, Sirocco. Nice restaurant out there. And Calma Tapas. I have no idea what that means, but I think they do some like a calma the same as Puerto del Carmen. Different types of what they call this, vegetarian fresh cuisine, they call it. Even the mountains here is just amazing. You see it right here, very different. If you see this spot like this one, it's similar as Costa Teguise. That's how it looks. But if you pass Matagorda, you will see now this is Puerto del Carmen. It's very, very different. Busy and a lot of people. They say most of the people don't know Puerto del Carmen, but if you come here, Puerto del Carmen is the first one you need to see. It's the much closer in the city and in the airport. So we're lucky we live here. There's a tiny bit of entertainment around here, balancing rocks. There's a lot of balancing rocks around here, so it's nice. Sorry about the wind noise, too windy around. So look how beautiful it is to see one of this. And of course, all the back streets around here. It's quiet, very quiet. Balancing rocks. I don't know if it's true or you just stick it all together with some glue or you know, that's the thing. I don't know if it's true or not, or maybe they stick it with glue. Who knows? There you go, Sol Lanzarote. Sol Lanzarote. Yeah, I think so. This is the Hotel Sol Lanzarote.
Looks quite bright.
Something like that. It's big, huge, and it's all inclusive. So everyone's in the bar right now, asking for a drink. It's quite nice to work in a hotel because it's way faster and you know, time flies by. The downside is no tips. So anyway, big shout out to the Italian couple that I met this morning. I'm gonna pop the screen. It's right there. Big shout out, folks. Even beds and umbrellas are quiet. It's picking up now, all the umbrellas. Quiet. Ah, here you go. My sun just come out. I'm giving some fair bit of warmth here. And it's windy at the same time. Wow. Very cool place. This is nice as well because you know the view you have is right here. The beauty of this place. And it's just dark. Very dark. Now the sun come out and it's very cool. But once the sun is out, it's very quiet. Aussie's bar. Very tempting to go there. It's busy. Always busy. So when the sun come out right now, just for a few minutes, maybe a minute and a half. I still have some heat on it. I feel heat, you know, warm. And I have my vest on, so it's really, really warm. But another dark sky is coming here on this side, so I don't know. There's a 6th plane coming in now. Wow. Ryanair. Most people know the place. Ryanair. We've been there and now we're here. Wow. Just wondering what the rain is all about, you know. We love rain. I love rain. I've been in a tropical country, so we have months and rain, months of rain, but not like this. You know, we're supposed to have a happy place and dry, but now it's just very dark and windy and rainy a little bit. So sad to say, things are changing in. Look, Here we go. The wind is cold again. Just, I think for the most people, especially people from England or Ireland or somewhere in Europe, north side of the cold part of Europe, this kind of gray sky morning is just, it's just alright, you know. Me personally, I look at here and pointing the camera and said, oh, there's a dark sky coming in, and just look at me and smiling. It's just like, this is normal. This is normal for you guys to see a gray sky every day, but here we don't. So look, the mountain from here, that's sad. Gray, very gray sky. You see all the bars and restaurants, it's very quiet. Imagine this is one empty space. You know, I remember when the pandemic, of course, everything is shut down. You know, every time you walk around somewhere here in Promenade or in Puerto del Carmen, everything is closed. And it's just very sad. We have super blue sky, nice weather, and nobody around, you know. All the industries are closed except for the supermarkets. The big ones especially. They allow to open because of you know, people need some supplies. That's why. Here comes the rain again. Devon Bar. That's the only bar open in pandemic. They're all shutting out there. They're all drinking out there. And Italica, typical Spanish cuisine. And here we go, the rain is dropping up. Oh hooray, oh hooray. I'm kind of used to the weather now. They're dropping some rain. That's cool, very cool. So if you're in this part of the video, thank you for watching. Yeah, we're nearly at the very end of our journey now. I need to walk much faster now because I have time to you know, to play with the baby right now. She's in the house waiting for me, so I'm gonna bring some ice cream maybe just to keep her happy. I told her that I'd be out for half an hour, but it's almost 2 hours now, so she gonna be angry. But we need to do this, guys. There you go. This part of Horizonte, I think they have a different owner now. Before is an English lady supposed to work in a bar, but now I see some Chinese girls around, or Asian girls around. I don't know, Chinese own the place, but yeah, for sure there's English people now, Asian people now own the place. So it's just like, you know, you see the logo of Firefox, a dragon eating the globe. That's happening right now. China is eating Maserati in everybody's business. They all here. But yeah, they give some work for the people, so that's nice. Even though there's a crisis or whatever going on, they're still open. They're never closed. I kinda knows it how, you know, how they adapt the culture of Spain. But the thing is, you know, they never stop. I see it because of the Pambe. You know, Jake, Billy, and Harry is just working so hard to keep the business afloat, you know. Me and my wife and the other Filipinos right there is just workers. We just work, you know. I help them, they help me. I work, they pay. That's the thing. Look at this bar. Busy, nice. Molino, oh. This is nice as well. I mean, oh, it's full. I mean, if you work, they pay you. That's a good thing. But the only difference with us, especially me in Palm Bay, is I'm there since day one. Well, not day one actually when they opened. They opened maybe a couple of months before I came in. It's just super empty. And when I start working, things are, you know, starting to work well. So I think that's the one they're looking at. That's why I'm special for them. So every time I tell something about what's going on around, and they listen. Even my wife. If my wife talks now, they listen. La Barrica. Wow. This is the longest vlog we ever do this day, hey? Wow. It's raining. Hey, it's raining right now. I don't know if you see it in the lens. You know, I just pointing the camera and keep on talking. Oh, Oasis is close. That's unusual. Look, all the souvenir shops are one €1 store. They're still open, Chinese. And Jake owned this place, you know, one of the owners of Palm Bay, Jake, the oldest guy. He owned this place before. This spot, that part, this side, that one. He owned the place, but they sell it. I don't know why they sell it, and now Jake is working with us. They sell it. So folks, we arrive at the very end of this Avenida of Matagorda. So if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. I need to walk much faster now because it's raining. Oh, they changed the logo of Los Ameyos now. It's not a seahorse anymore. It's a cactus. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. It's not. And this is the El Robalo. El Robalo they call it. Cesar's Manuel Quesadilla. Right there. It moves with the wind, but in a different you know, different way. So yeah. So folks, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and enjoying the vlogs. I hope to see you in the next episode. So support your logos, folks, and have a great day, and see you in the next one. Peace. Bye bye.